Hello, thanks for being here. Do you like Jiffy Mix? Then I think you should try it this way. Okay, I have 1/3 of a cup of buttermilk. This is whole buttermilk. I have 2 eggs. If you don't trust yourself, break your eggs in a different bowl. I have 3½ tablespoons of melted butter. Get that good old cream out of there. And I have 2 tablespoons of honey. Great. We're just going to mix this. Oh. Uh-oh. Slow down, ladies. Slow down. We're just going to mix this together really well. Make sure that everything is nice and combined. Okay, we're going to set this aside for a second. We're going to add into this bowl Jiffy Mix. This is nice and easy and delicious. Come on out of here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yes, I talk to the food. It's me and the food in the kitchen together. And you now. See how that's lumpy? I'm just going to break that up. Okay, we got most of those lumps out. Now we're going to take that mix and add it. And we're just going to mix it together. Stir it until it's well mixed. There you go, that's well mixed. I'm going to set that aside. And I have my cast iron pan. I believe this is a 10-inch. And I have a tablespoon of butter. Come on, butter. And I have some Crisco. If you don't have any, don't worry about it. Just use what you have. Have a little bit in there like that. We're just going to mix this together. We're going to coat this pan like this. God, I was using a 10-inch. Okay, I guess I have more than I need. Would have been perfect for a 12-inch. I'm going to add that back to my Crisco. It'll be fine. And in goes our mix. My oven is already heated at 350, and we're going to cook this. I don't know exactly how long. Maybe we're going to do about 35 minutes, or until it's nice and golden brown. You know how to check for doneness. If it bounces back, or when you add in, stick in a toothpick and it comes out clean, you can use a knife or whatever, but you will know. Your nose will tell you, and so your eyes. Okay. And into the oven we're going. When I'm not going with it, the cornbread is going in. That took about 25 minutes. See how nice and golden brown it is? And here's that butter. And I added about a half a tablespoon into that tablespoon of butter. A half a tablespoon of honey, that is. And we're just going to brush this on. And it's up to you how much you want to add. I just want to add a hint of butter and a hint of honey on the top. And we can just serve this up. I'm going to let it cool. And then we're going to taste it. Okay, let's cool down a bit. Still pretty hot though. How nice and moist that is. See how the bottom's cooked? And you have the little crunchy edges here. And I'm going to taste it. But like I always say, I don't like hot cake and hot cornbread and such. But it's good. It's going to be even better when it cools off. For me, that is. Hey. Thanks for watching. Give this cornbread a try. Remember to pray. Stay safe. Stay blessed. And stay well. I love you. I really do. Until next time. Later. I'm gonna eat this cornbread.